Yeah, myself, Meenu from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback interview from yourself. First of all,
Sure.
congratulations, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm
Yeah,
happy.
introduce about yourself.
Myself, Mohammed Siddique. I'm a civil engineer. I have graduated in 2020, and I have had an experience in civil engineering field as well. And uh, I just got, yeah.
Yeah.
So
So
is it?
how was that? Like, how was the interview preparation by Prayojana Engineering helped you?
It was quite good. They had intimated us earlier so that we can be prepared for the interview round. Yeah, it was quite helpful for me, like so that I can had that key point where I can just convince the HR to get me into this job.
Okay, so how did you crack the interview?
I just presented my point of view in terms of interior designing, and as to be mentioned, I shared my experience in the same field, what I had pursued earlier from past 2 years. I shared those 2 points and shared my role of work which I used to enroll earlier in my old company. So they just considered that, I guess, hopefully, I think so.
Okay. So would you like to refer Prayojana Engineering and CMTI to your friends?
Yes, ma'am. Obviously, I'll suggest my friends as well and the rest of the people who will be watching this, so that they can also get into a good firms and good job placements through this unit.
Yeah, what is your point of like you can tell the upcoming so for persons who are going to join. So what is your
I
point
can
of view?
just suggest them that before we just go into the interview rounds, they just get into the major part, what where we have to be more focused towards, so that we can crack this interview easily. Whichever the company it is, it's not a problem. They'll just prepare us well so that we can get into the job very easily without any like being hesitated or scared of any such situations. Quite easy with the guidance actually.
So this is Siddique's point of view.
Yeah, ma'am. I
Yeah.
guess.
Thank you so much, Siddique. That was a wonderful feedback. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
All the best for your career.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Have a good day.